how the data comes to the FTP server and how to read the file, how to download the file to stage location, how to do the list file operation. Okay, in the HDL we have used only single file, right? So and in FBDA we will do multiple files process how to do. Okay, and also we will see in FBDA we will see a callback integration and how we are going to do the FBDA business objects. Hmm? So we'll go one by one. FBDA. File-based integration. So I'm considering the FBDA file-based integration general daily rates. Like in FBDA we have discussed about supplier, hmm, supplier addresses, and purchase orders. Hmm? And general daily rates is another business object. General daily rates currencies. General daily rates currencies. So first we will see front end how we can see the general daily rates currencies and using FBDA manual. First I will show you manual approach how to do the FBDA general daily rates and then we will start the FBDA integration using OIC. Hmm. So let's start the first we will download. Okay, first we will see the front end navigation for the general daily rates setup and maintenance. Manage 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 general manage daily rates. Hmm? So manage daily rates. Go to daily rates here. So for example, from currency I will use yes. Yeah, not
Upside down.
India. Pro currency I will use the United States. Okay, we will see the GBP. USD YT not there. Okay, we'll see Canadian. So date. So today date. Okay. Date type corporate. So with this combination, what is the currency? Combination. CAD currency. to currency. Here now. Do the actual data should come back, not come back. Okay. USD. So from INR to USD, this is the rate. And if you change the future date, 17, 17, this is the date. So now what we are going to do, we are going to update this data. So whatever the data which I am showing, that I would like to update this data. So in the future, for example, today file, I am going to update this one, but tomorrow it may be different, right? So what we will do, we are going to consider 2 or 3 files. So these 2 or 3 files, we are going to update the data, and the 2 or 3 files BDI will run, and then it will update the data here. For example, 16th date, this date, 16th, this is the 16th date, 17th date, currency rates will be changed or different. No,
Channel.
it will be different, right? It will be different. Go to the Canada. Canada, why it is not coming? CUT. Canada dollars. Okay. GBP. Data not there. Yeah. So simple way I am telling you guys. For example, the data of this combination today rate this one. Tomorrow it may be different, right? Maybe day after tomorrow it may be different, right? So every day the files, every day one file or single file or multiple files will come into SFTP location. Okay. That multiple files we need to iterate one by one and do the FPDI load. That is what we need to do. First, I will show you guys how to prepare the data file, and we will run manual approach, and then we'll start the FPDI integration. So download the Fusion Apps OER. File based. Important calculate. Important calculate daily rates. So for important calculate daily rates, download this file. Download this file. Create one video already there, right? Take this one. So now what I'm doing? So video template we have downloaded from the OER already there. Right in there. So this is the sample data which given by Oracle. So we will simplify this data. USD to INR we will use. USD to
We need to unlock write function first.
yeah, correct. So more option. Unlock first. Unblock, correct. Open this one. So this and all not required. Attribute category and all. This and all not required. So what we will do USD to INR. This is not required. USD to Canada we will use. USD to GBP. These and all not. These three records we will try. So I will give USD to INR today date 2024 0 year month date, right? Year month date 16th. Year month date. So conversion rate I will give here 70. 70 I will give. Here I will give conversion rate USD to Canada 0.12 Ether. I will give 1.12. Here I will give 1.7. This is not. This is just leave it, guys. If you want, you can change this also will be update. Save the changes. So this is the my data, guys. So today date. So in the system USD to INR. Let's verify in the content now. What is the data is there? 0.30. Setup and maintenance. Search. Manage daily rates. Manage daily rates. USD to INR. Today date. USD to INR. Just a minute. USD to INR. Now search. So now 82 is there, right? USD to INR 82 is there. 83 is there here. We'll change to 85 today. 5. So in the system, it is showing as 82, 83 is there, but I am changing to 85 here. USD to Canada also will check. USD to Canada. USD to Canada. 1.33 is there. 1.33 is there. So I am changing to. You're following it not, guys? Low. 2.1.
Yes.
USD to GBP. USD to GBP. USD to GBP. What is the data there? 0.78 is there. I am changing to 2.7. This is the data. So whatever the data there in the front end, so we are updating. We are doing the we are updating the data currency rates in the FBDA file. Understand or not? 1.27. Like that. Understand, Mujamil?
Yes, Vamshi. Got it.
Now save the changes. Save the changes. So after you done the data modifications, okay, prepare the data file. Prepare the data file. Prepare the data file. Prepare the data file. So after you prepare the data file, then there is an option called enable content we can use. Enable content. Validate daily rates. Sorry, not validate, generate daily rates. Generate daily rates. Here there is no option generate. Here you can do right. Generate daily rates. Batch plus 24. Generate daily rates. Save. First CSV file. So zip file name. Zip file name. Not coming zip file name. So now if you look at this one, in the zip file created 16th 9. So you change the name here, some different name. Change the different name. GL delegates interface. GL delegates interface. 1609. 1609. So inside, so the okay. So this is the zip file, and what is the CSV file not generated here? So inside the zip file, CSV file will be there. Let's verify. This is the CSV file. So this is the CSV file.
So CSV file also one additional file it will be generated, right, Vamshi?
Inside the zip file, CSV file will be there, yes. Inside the zip file, not additional file. So only one file will be, only one CSV file will be generated. Additional, why you are telling? Hmm? Oh yeah, additional file will be generated here, but somehow it is not generated. Is correct. Here it is created. Minimal.
Got it, Vamshi. Yes.
So my
So
mistake.
what I have asked.
Yeah, you are right. So, but our consideration will be this file. Our consideration is this zip file. So for example, now what we need to do, we have to run the program. What is the first program? Load, load interface file for import. We have to run the program load interface file for import. Load interface file for import. So we have to run the program called load interface file for import. And another program is what, guys? So another program name import and calendar delegates. Import and calendar delegates. But here one important point you have to understand. Here you have to understand. The important point is the important point is when base table program ESS job and base table program ESS job will not have any parameters. Then we no need to run base table ESS job program name. And base table ESS job will not have any parameters. ESS job will not, then we no need to run the base table ESS job program name. Only load interface file for import is enough. Only load interface file for import program is enough. So when base table ESS job will not have any parameters, then we no need to run the base table ESS job program. Only load interface file for import program is enough. You understand this point or not?
So load interface file for import is for the staging purpose only.
No, interface, it will store the data in interface table. It will store the data into.
So second also import and calculate daily rates also it is mandatory for every business object, right? So
Correct,
there will be
but
different names.
different names will be there. So, but here the thing is, for example, this program will not have any parameters. This will taken care data into interface table and base tables. In which case,
Oh, okay.
if base table ESS job will not have any parameters. You read this
Some
point.
particular business objects.
Yeah, for particular business object, correct. So you may ask definitely this question: how we know that base table ESS job will not have parameters or not? Tell me, Majamil, how we know?
We need to check in the OER, right? Vamshi?
No.
If there is
OER,
any parameters, we can run second also.
OER, you will not see any parameters here.
So you take import and calculate daily rates, no schedule process from. If there is no schedule process means will not take.
Yeah, you came 90% correct. So the best way is you go to the setup and maintenance. Go to setup and maintenance. Search. Here there is a standard. Maybe I have not covered this step. Okay, that is the reason you are not telling. Maintenance. Manage enterprise scheduler definition. Processes. Import and calculate daily rates. Here you will see Majamal. See, here is no parameters. Did you observe?
Yes, Vamshi.
Or you whatever you said that is also correct. So you go like this. For example, import supplier you can check. Import supplier, we have parameters or not? No. Import
Yeah,
supplier, we have
yes.
parameters. It is there now.
Yes, Vamshi, please.
So this is the way you can check whether the base table ESS job have parameters or not. Another way is whatever you said, that is also correct. You go to the schedule process. You go to schedule process. You run the program name here. It will prompt any parameters or not. It is not coming. Important coming. Just click on OK. Click on OK. The parameters coming or not? No. Yes or no?
No, Vamshi.
Not come.
So
No, Vamshi.
in this case, this is enough. In base table ESS job will not have any parameter, then we no need to run the base table ESS job program. Only load interface file or import program is enough to load the data into interface table and base table.
So Vamshi, this load interface file for import, that ESS job will submit the standard ESS job also. This interface
Yes,
ESS.
correct. So what will happen is when we run this one, so this will run this also.
So in the schedule process, we can see both
Yeah,
these
yes.
ESS jobs. Okay.
Correct. You are understanding correct. That is the way it will happen. But before I run this one, I wanted to explain. That is the reason I explained. So we will see now. So now in this case, how many programs will run? If you run this one, two will run by 3 will run right by default. 3 will run by default. 3 will run by default. This also will run. See, normally when we run the ESS job for this one, it will run 3 programs, right? Load, transfer file, something, load interface file for import interface, something. There are 3 child programs will run, right? You observed or not? We covered, right? In MPDA.
Yes, internally it will run.
Internally it will run, right? Internally it will run. So this also will run in this case. So let's verify now. Schedule new process. So what are we doing now? Load interface file. Load interface file for import. So you pass the parameter here. Import on. Not coming. Import on. Upload the file. Upload a new file. MPDA. 4 programs will run in this case. 4 programs will run in this case. Submit. So you take this one. 4 programs will run or 3 programs will run? Tell me. Transfer file.
I think
Load
4.
interface. Load file interface, transfer file, load file, load interface file first. Load interface file for import. See? Now, 4 running, right?
Yes.
What else? Don't let me. So we'll verify the data. So where we will verify? YAML. YAML. Where will?
Front end also, back end also.
Current. USD to INR. USD to INR today date 16th. $85. Updated or not?
Yes, update.
USD to GBP will check. GBP. Updated rate 2.7. Stopping for today. Tomorrow I'll continue this FBDA approach.